In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Blender not opening or launching on Windows. So first of all, I don't have the Blender application installed on my system, so I will simply guide you through. So for example, let's consider the Opera GX browser that this is my Blender application. So once you have located your Blender application, first of all, what you can try doing is to right click on the application, then click on properties. In properties, you have to click on compatibility. Then first of all, you have to enable this option that says run this program in compatibility mode for. Once you enable it, you have to make sure that the option that is selected is Windows 8. Once you make this sure, you have to come down and you will see an option that says run this program as an administrator. So you have to click on this and enable this option as well. Once you do that, you have to click on apply. Sometimes doing this can also fix your issue, but still you will have to refresh your system a couple of times, then try launching the Blender application once again. But still, if your issue is still persisting, what you can also try doing is to go to your Windows section and simply search for troubleshoot settings. In your troubleshoot settings on the main interface, you will see an option that says additional troubleshooters, so you have to click on it. In additional troubleshooters, you have to scroll down and you will see an option that says program compatibility troubleshooter, so you have to click on it. Now simply click on run the troubleshooter. This will take a few seconds to proceed as it checks the whole system files which are present on your computer. Once the process is completed, you will see a list of all the files that you may be having trouble in. So you very simply have to find the Blender application in all of these files. Once you're done, you have to select it and click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask you whether you want to try recommended settings or troubleshoot program. So you very simply have to click on troubleshoot program. Then you will have to select a reason for your problem. I will simply select I don't see my problem listed, but in your case, you can check the three options present and see if you can relate with any of them. Then simply click on next. Now, if you have used Blender on a previous version of Windows, you can select that, but I will simply select I don't know and click on next. Now, it will ask you a couple of questions again, so you simply have to skip all of these questions and tap on next. Now, you will have to click on test the program, then tap on next. Now it will say that the troubleshooting has completed. Is the problem fixed? So you simply have to click on yes, save these settings for this program, and you can very easily close this application once the loading is completed. So once you're done, you again have to go to your Windows section, click on power, then you have to click on restart to restart your computer once. By doing this, you should be able to fix this issue of Blender. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.